This is the first time I've been sketching at the market in probably a year. It's been a really long time, mainly because of my injuries and bad body. But also because I was just getting a bit sick of sketching the same things all the time. There's nothing new. So yeah, I had to come today and do some jobs. I figured I'd do some sketching while I was here. I've done one sketch. I'm going to pick up a order from the Too Good to Go app soon, but I might just do another quick sketch while I'm waiting for that. Well, I thought I'd videoed all my sketching on this, but I didn't video, so this is what I've got done. This is about 10-15 minutes of sitting here, probably about 10 minutes. And yeah, it's not a great sketch, but yeah, it's good practice with my ink pens at least. And I'll leave it there. I think I've done enough for today. I ordered one of those veggie boxes, you know, where you get a mysterious bundle of vegetables. And so, of course, I had to do some still life sketching before I ate them. It's getting to be a bad habit. I ended up leaving the broccoli sitting on the table so long in the sun that I had to throw it out. And it was so wasteful, but at least I got to sketch it. I'm using a variety of media here. The Intense pencil in olive is quite good. Also, yeah, other bits and pieces, just whatever I've got around. I'm not really thinking too much about what media to use. As well as the broccoli, I've included a zucchini and some spring onions in this arrangement because I want to have stick to a monopalette green rather than having all various colours. So yeah, this is my still life in green. that's my sketching for the last week. It's taken me a while to get back into it after having such a long break, and I'm still kind of feeling my way back. Hopefully with a bit of continuous effort, I'll be back on top of my game. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, see you in the next video. Bye!